Hey guys! So today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. I really like this. This is the first slime recipe I've tried that pretty much works. It is a little sticky. I've been playing with it for a few minutes now, so my finger is a little sticky already. But so it only sticks a tad. But if you want to learn how to make this, then just keep watching. The things you'll be needing are shampoo. I'm just using Johnson's baby shampoo because that's what I have. Hand soap. I'm just using soft soap, and this is just what I have laying around. Something to mix in and something to mix with. I'm using this play bowl, whatever the thing is, and I'm using a spoon. I definitely suggest using a spoon and not necessarily like a toothpick or like a fork or something. I don't know. So I'd suggest a spoon. I'm just using this Munchkin baby spoon because that's what I have. And finally, this is optional, some coloring. You can use paint, you can use the method for making Baby Alive drinks, like put some marker on a paper towel, put it in some water, and then pour it in, but I don't think that'd be a very good coloring. Or you can use food coloring. This is close to food coloring, except I don't think it's edible. It's from the Crayola marker maker. It's just a yellow one. And if you want it to be see-through, like this one, like I can't remember yesterday if it was see-through, but I let it sit overnight and it got way more see-through. But if you want it to be see-through, use see-through soap for both, which are what these are, and use food coloring, because this one didn't work as well, and it sticks to your hands more, but I used acrylic paint for this, and it's obviously not see-through. So yeah, let's get started on how to make this.
So what you want to do is take your, I'd suggest using a bowl, take your, or something with a lip on it, take your bowl or whatever you're mixing in, and take your shampoo, and put your desired amount in. However much you add, we're going to have to add a bit of, quite a bit of hand soap. I'm just going to do that much. And you might want a paper towel or something nearby to wipe your hands off. I'm just using some baby wipes that I have next to me. It has tissues next to me too. But, so once you have that in your bowl, you want to take your hand soap and just open that up. Let me open this real quick, guys. Sorry. I'm using this without my tripod today because I don't feel like I'm doing my case, because I have to take off my case. And just add a little bit at a time, because if you add too much, it'll make the slime way too watery, and it'll basically just ruin the slime. Oh, and right now you might want to add your coloring too. Oh, and keep in mind, if you are using food coloring, don't add too much, because that can ruin the consistency of your slime. I'm just adding it now. Just moving around too much. I'm just mixing this in. Wait. Sorry, this is like not working. Well, the slime's working. It's turning slimy, but it doesn't want to stay in place. That's the problem. You'll start looking better once you add more soap, probably. Hopefully. Might add one more drop. Oh, and you can see after adding just like a tiny bit, and I'd suggest if you're using a pump soap to just do like one pump at a time. But I could use a pump soap if I wanted to, but I don't feel like it, because I have one in my bathroom. But I just don't feel like bringing that in my room. So just keep on adding little by little until you get your desired consistency. Oh, and you won't have to freeze this or anything. It's really easy. You may have to not looking too see-through, but if you leave it for a while, it will turn see-through like my other one. I'm not making much because I don't have a lot of pea soap. This is orange juice. Orange juice slime. That's what I'm gonna call it. But you should notice it starting to clump together. And this worked for me the first time I did it. Like the pink one was my second try and it didn't work too well. But it still turned into slime. Just more sticky. But the one I showed you in the beginning of this video was my first try ever of trying this recipe. And I've tried so many recipes and none of them have worked. So I was super excited last night when this worked. It's not that good for like poking or anything though. It's better to just play with. Because it just doesn't do too much of a sound. Just putting that out there. So just keep on adding soap until it's your desired consistency.
Okay, so I added a bit more, and I have my desired consistency now. It, like, isn't really runny when you first scoop it up, but this is a pretty good consistency. It's to the point where you can actually you can put it like towards the middle and it'll stay and not immediately run. And it like is clumping together. And it's more thick. You can actually whack it with your spoon and it'll like not go all the way through. But so this isn't the last step. The next step is the last step. And this might be the hardest step. It is to leave it to sit for an hour or two. I didn't, like, this one over here has, excuse my super messy bed, this one has been sitting overnight to make it clear, because this one obviously doesn't look clear. This one is, and it was when I was playing with it, but in the bowl for some reason it's like, I don't know. But so just let this sit for an hour or two or so, and then it should start turning into this. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and in the comments let me know if this worked for you. Bye!